Dentitox Pro review. Does Dentitox Pro work? Is it really worth buying to improve my oral health and whiten my teeth? Stay with me until the end of this video and I'll tell you the truth about Dentitox Pro. My name is Tammy, and first of all, I need you to watch this video until the end because by the end of it, I have an important warning for you about the purchase of Dentitox Pro. The official website for the purchase of Dentitox Pro is in the description of this video. Make sure you're buying from the official website so you can guarantee the original products that will bring you all the benefits that you will hear about in this review. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro is a supplement with natural ingredients and nutrients for your oral health. It works to straighten your teeth and gums, targeting the root cause of gum diseases and most people are used to taking capsules. The supplement contains no toxins, additives, or fillers. It is 100% safe without side effects. How does Dentitox Pro work? The Dentitox Pro formula works in 5 main steps. The first stage is the introduction of the supplement to the bloodstream. This mechanism allows for the formula to reach the mouth and reduce pain and discomfort. It also improves your breath at this stage. The second stage involves further reduction of pain and discomfort, while teeth become firmer and more secure. At this stage, the gums also start to become more rigid and firm around the teeth. In the third stage, the users develop healthier gums and continue to control gum bleeding. The user begins to notice lesser and lesser gum bleedings while brushing and flossing. The fourth step brings overall improvement to your teeth and gums. At this point, the users regain lost trust. In the fifth stage, the user achieves full recovery. No symptoms and no pain. Whiter teeth, gum, crown, and roots become stronger and breath improves too. How to use Dentitox Pro. The best way to use Dentitox Pro is to apply it directly to teeth and gums to get the exact spot for treatment. The product comes with a dropper that makes application even easier. The recommended daily dose for Dentitox Pro is 1 milliliter per day, which is approximately 6 drops. There is no ideal time to use Dentitox Pro. You can apply it any time of day. You don't need to make drastic changes in your life to include Dentitox Pro in your daily routine. However, using Dentitox Pro doesn't mean that you don't have to brush and floss every day. This is a supplement, not a replacement. Is Dentitox Pro worth the money? Yes, absolutely. Dentitox Pro is worth every penny. The benefit it offers is not worth hundreds but thousands of dollars. Now remember that I told you that I had an important warning for you at the end of this video? Well, here it is. Since it was released, Dentitox Pro has been a hit in sales. Unfortunately, that led to fake websites trying to sell the counterfeit product. There are lots of risks in buying this product without knowing its origin, and for this reason, I'm going to leave the official website for the purchase of Dentitox Pro in the description of this video. Only in the official website, you're guaranteed that you're buying original products that will bring you all the results that you heard in this review. This is going to be the end of my review. I hope it helped and I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.